Hey guys, today I have the EPOMAKER HE68. This is a 65% hot swappable analog keyboard that I've been using for the past 3 weeks and I've been very happy with it. I want to thank EPOMAKER for providing this sample to me for my honest opinion, so today I'm going to give that to you. Inside the box you get the keyboard itself, you get 4 extra switches, they give you a keycap and puller tool, as well as a wired cable to connect it via USB-A to USB-C. So this is a very compact 65% keyboard that takes up minimal desk space, and they use the linear pink switches from EPOMAKER that have a nice amount of clickiness to them. On the back side you have your USB-C input, and then you have a little toggle switch here where you can switch it between Windows and Mac. On the side you have this little purple lanyard that makes it pretty easy to carry along with you. And then on the back side you have this little metallic emblem that has the model number and the logo. And then you have 2 different feet with 2 different types of levels. So you can place it like this, or you can minimize it all the way down flat, or go right in the middle with these intermediate feet. So the backlighting on this keyboard is super neat. You can change the effect by pushing the function key and this key and cycle through all of the different effects. Really neat. These are south facing backlit, so they show up really nicely. You can change the color with function and delete and toggle through all the colors and select the one that you like the most. Overall, if you're looking for a nice compact 65% keyboard with Hall effect switches, I really recommend the EPOMAKER HE68. It's a super nice, well laid out keyboard that I've been very happy with.